Hi, everybody. I am here to help you through week 2. I hope week 1 was awesome. I think that we're all getting used to it. I know there were some glitches. Please don't stress over glitches. We will make sure that it works and that I won't count it late or anything like that. So here we're starting with our weekly checklist. It is set up the same way. You're going to have a week 2 folder. It's going to say before you begin, and inside it will have this checklist. And then it will have your assignment 1, assignment 2, and assignment 3. And each one of the assignments will have a video inside it that will help you walk through everything. It is a little bit more entailed this week, so that means you guys need to spend some time. It won't be as easy as it was this past week, but I'm sure that if you can focus on it, it will help you do that. So here is your checklist. So basically here's your intro video, which we're looking at. You'll have assignment 1, 2, and 3, and then we are having a voluntary virtual meeting on Wednesday. Something new for this week is that you're going to have vocabulary. It will lead to a vocabulary test on Friday, or it's part of assignment 3. So we are going to be doing, as one of our assignments, you're going to be doing an activity so that you get to understand more about the interface of Schoology. And these are the words that will be tested at the end. Our essential question is, how do understanding a program's interface make it more efficient? An interface is all of your navigation, the way it is set up. How, if you understand that, is it making it more efficient for you? So that's what we're going to be talking about this week. The next thing is our face-to-face. It will be Wednesday at 11 o'clock. It is voluntary. So you can, what you can do is around 10 o'clock or right before 11 o'clock, you will be able to get to it in 3 different ways. The first way is I will send a message out, like I've been sending messages out all week about technical difficulties. The second thing is I will email everybody. It will be in your email. If you don't know where to go and get your email, that's why you have options 2 and 3. And then the third way will be inside the week 2 folder, I will have a folder that says link to virtual meeting. Remember, it is voluntary. It is just so that I can see your faces, so that you can see each other's faces, and we'll have some kind of cool technology or something like that that you can just have fun with. It is just a way for us to get together. If you want to ask questions, you're more than welcome to, and I will help you. Your learning objectives is your students are going to learn about the Schoology interface and why navigation is important. This relates back to our essential question of the week. And the other thing we are working on this week is computer hardware parts and uses. Okay, so if you go over here to this side, we have assignment 1. You're going to review the vocabulary words. I'm going to have 2 videos in there so you understand what the toolbars are and what they do. So I'm actually going to define these for you. Your assignment 1A is you're going to go and find your tiles and you're going to put them in alphabetical order. I will explain in the video what the tiles are if you don't know what they are. Assignment 1B is you're going to create your vocabulary list. It is going to have a picture of what this icon looks like. It is going to have the name, and then it's going to have the function. And yes, I'm going to show you in the video. Assignment 2 is you're going to watch a short video. It's 5 minutes long about what's inside your computer. And then you're going to read an article and you're going to take 2 column notes. Yes, I will show you how to do it. And then the last one will be you're taking a vocabulary quiz on these words here. And then you are going to write a paragraph explaining which part of the computer is the most important and why. Okay, so if you know the Pearl method, then please use it. If you're new and you don't understand what Pearl means, basically I need at least a five sentence paragraph, sorry, that has a topic sentence, it has supporting evidence, and it has a conclusion. Please make sure you use capital letters, punctuation. It is practice. Just because this is technology class does not mean that you do not have to use proper grammar. It is also a wonderful way to be practicing your typing, which you can be doing at any time. I will be, if you haven't gotten it already, I will be sending out your goal, and we can go from there. The last thing is that most of you took the survey last week, which was awesome, and thank you. But I just wanted to give you a kind of an overview of what the answers were. So the answers were like 92% of you have a laptop or a desktop, which is really cool. Most of you, like 98% of you, are not sharing with a sibling, which is huge because I know that with all the classes you'll have a lot going on. The other questions, they were probably more in the 50-50 range, so that was just a really good break for me so that I know where to start and how to do this. As always, if you have any questions, let me know.